This is Kallathigiri Falls, a divine blend of nature, history, and serenity. A place where water carves stories and legends breathe through rocks. Hello, all, welcome back to Chaitanya Mahesh Vlogs. Today, we are exploring one of the most magical, untouched gems of Chikkamagaluru, the Kallathigiri Falls. Located just 53 kilometers away, about 1.5 hour journey from our stay, and trust me, the journey itself feels like entering another world. Surrounded by dense forest and misty charm, Kallathigiri is more than just a waterfall. It's a spiritual retreat where nature and devotion meet. And right here, standing tall at 122 meters, behind this powerful sheet of water lies the ancient Veerbhadra Temple, a temple that has silently watched centuries pass. Built during the great Vijayanagara Empire, this sacred place is dedicated to Lord Shiva, and the moment you step close, you feel that divine energy. To reach this temple, you don't walk on a normal path. You walk through the waterfall itself, yes, through the waterfalls, streaming of water over rocks naturally shaped like elephants. The sound of water striking the stones is so calming. It feels like nature is playing its own ancient music. This place holds deep religious values for the people of Karnataka and honestly for anyone who visits. There is a unique peace here, a feeling that slows your mind and connects you with nature. Just outside the temple, carved into the mountain walls, are old divine idols, each one representing years of devotion and faith. These carvings add even more charm to the surroundings and makes the entire place feel truly sacred. Once you finish exploring the temple, you walk back through the same waterfalls, and if you're up for a little adventure, there is also a narrow trekking path that takes you to the top of the waterfalls. But remember, Kallathigiri Falls is a serene and spiritual place. Let's keep it clean. Please don't dirty the water, don't leave plastic, and respect nature so that thousands of others can enjoy this beauty. Don't miss this beautiful place, it's truly worth your time. If you enjoy this vlog, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this from Chaitanya Mahesh Vlogs. See you all in the next vlog.